We finally made it. The captain's been waiting for us. I'm gonna slip this in your small. All right, key lime pie factory.
All right, so which one you got?
I get key lime pie with meringue topping. I'm about to go in.
Let's see.
Perfect. It's perfect, especially today's weather.
This is the original.
That's the original. That's the sweet factor.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's real good.
Refreshing.
Oh yeah. They'll put the bucket down. Right. I'll get it from you.
You gonna start the bucket?
Yeah.
Got it. From you. Got it. That pelican, I tell you. They're strong. Okay, go for it. I mean, yeah, I got something good, but
I came to eat. You guys didn't realize that. That's what I'm talking about.
okay. And so we just got off the trolley. About what, 3-4 blocks away from our hotel, and it was free. Gotta do that. My dog had motion sickness the other day, but he gonna fight through it. He gonna fight through it. Cause he's here for the adventure like me. So we about to do it.
We're next. So.
What was that? What was that?
I'm gonna fight somebody. I'm waiting for a nigga to try me.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I might still go out with a bang, right?
Yeah, what?
Jump in right there. Alright, careful.
Oh, right there. Damn. Oh, damn. Shit hits you. Woo!
I told this motherfucker we could walk 7 blocks and be there. 12 blocks. We'd have been there. This fool said, nah, I'm walking 2 blocks to catch. Hold on. This fool said, I'm going to take 2 blocks and go catch the bus. And now he caught the bus. Guess what happened? We were on the bus. We hung a left. And the motherfucking bus driver said, get your ass off the bus. He said, I'm done. He parked the bus and kicked us off. And it's all his fault. And now we're like so far off. He fucked us. I ain't listen to your ass no more. Fuck that shit. I'm not taking your bus advice. I've been on point on every bus. You fucked us up. You done. Because of this motherfucker, we gotta pay for a lift.
And we splitting that shit.
Fuck that shit. Fuck that.
I redeemed myself.
Look, that bus was right there. He went around the gas station just to come pick us up. You didn't redeem yourself. You got lucky as fuck. Lucky as fuck.
Definitely have to keep my pie. Oh man. that guava. Alright, we made it to Party Bakery. Got my guava pastry, got my empanada, and got my cafe con leche. So breakfast on Sunday. Not as flaky as the other place, but breakfast in Miami.
The last spot we didn't know. We caught this from Little Atlanta. We got a stowaway here. What was that?
I said free and free. That's why I'm loving this vacation.
Just made the trolley line.
Man, what timing. We rushed to everything. The door was going to close on the Uber.
Right. And you wanted to wait for the elevator. Bad call. Today.
Right.
So, we just passed this. And this is the one that I was clowning on. Looks like a circus tent. And we didn't see this side. We actually saw the other side. So we go. Oh shit, we hit the mother load. There, Indy.
Oh, shit.
Right. This is my spot. You're looking for